The actual battery numbers for the iPhone 16 Pro Max are finally available, and they're really shocking. When it came to battery life and performance, the iPhone 16 Pro Max was like the Energizer Bunny, it just kept going. The Google Pixel 9, which had previously held the record for the longest battery life, was overthrown by Apple's flagship iPhone. Despite the Google Pixel 9's remarkable 19 hours and 20 minutes of battery life, the iPhone 16 Pro Max turned out to be even more energy efficient than Google's top competitor. Using a 50% display brightness and a continuous movie loop until the battery runs out, the TikTok Rundown battery test measures how long a battery can endure. The iPhone 16 Pro Max achieved an amazing 25 hours and 17 minutes. I've seen a lot of manufacturers advertise that their products have an all-day battery life, but Apple is able to state with confidence that the iPhone 16 Pro Max actually lasts longer than a full day when used normally, which includes web browsing, streaming media, and some downtime. It is possible to extend the battery life of the iPhone 16 Pro Max to around 2 days before it requires a recharge. What is the comparison? Are you wondering how the iPhone 16 Pro Max compares to other flagship models? Below is a brief summary of the latest battery test findings. Google Pixel 9 Pro XL 18 hours and 50 minutes, iPhone 16 Plus 18 hours and 53 minutes, Samsung Galaxy 24 Ultra 13 hours and 1 minute, iPhone 16 to 16 hours and 20 minutes, iPhone 16 Pro 18 hours and 17 minutes, and Google Pixel 9 to 19 hours and 20 minutes are all listed. With an amazing 25 hours and 17 minutes of runtime, the iPhone 16 Pro Max took first place in the battery testing. With a strong 19 hours and 20 minutes, the Google Pixel 9 came in second, the iPhone 16 Plus took third place with 18 hours and 53 minutes, the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL took fourth place with 18 hours and 50 minutes, right behind the iPhone 16 Pro, which came in fifth place with 18 hours and 17 minutes, the iPhone 16 took sixth place with 16 hours and 20 minutes, and the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra completed the list in seventh place with 13 hours and 1 minute. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.